YouTube? It's your girl LaSherie, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a tutorial for, what are these called? Wave formers. So I got these from eBay, and I have a million of them, like literally. I think I have like 60. So I'm gonna get started. I watched a bunch of tutorials, so what I'll be using today for the video, I'm not gonna do it on dry hair. So I have a water sprayer. I don't have a mister yet, unfortunately, and if this works out, I might just go ahead and purchase one, but I don't need it for right now. I'm also gonna be using Style Factor Edge Booster gel, and it's in pink or peach. It smells super good. I only used it on my edges before. I'd never used it like to make a ponytail or nothing like that. And I also have Care Foam Wrap Setting Lotion. So I'm just gonna wet my hair and see exactly how these work out. Again, I watched a few videos, and one video that I saw in particular, the girl only used mousse, and after she did the freaking waveformers, the 45-minute install, she said the hairstyle only stayed for one day. So that's why I'm trying the mousse and gel combination. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I have warm water in the spray bottle. I'm not gonna get it saturated because I don't want it to take forever to dry. I'm just kind of making it wet. And this is my first time, so I don't know, might be a fail. So this is what it looks like. It's a clear gel. This came with the waveformers. It's not really strong, and I couldn't get the last part to fit the way it's supposed to, so I hope that's not a problem. And the girl that I watched, I believe her name is Amber Ansa. She has so much hair, and that's who actually had the problem with the mousse being the only product that she used. So I'm gonna take a couple of lessons out of her book and make my sections not so small. But again, I'm also gonna be using gel. Okay. I can see already that this is gonna take all day. So I'm only using that much, maybe too much, may not be enough. But this is what I'm going with. Okay, so this is the tricky part because someone like applied these. I want the bottom of the waveformer to be facing inward. I don't know if that'll make a huge difference, but it's just what I prefer. So from what I saw, grab a section of the hair, twist it, latch, and pull. Oh, hell no. Ah. No, ma'am. It's not working. My hair is stuck. and it hurts. Holy see that? It's actually coming through the freaking thing. Okay, I'm gonna pause it here. When I come back, hopefully I'll be showing you what I actually needed to do. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to try it a couple of times before I was able to get that one on. So I'll just try to do a couple of these on camera, and then I'm sure you'll get the gist of it. Wait, maybe I should yeah. Gonna go ahead and put this on the, I don't know if this is called an applicator stick, whatever it is. It's not my favorite thing to work with. Okay. Oh, twist. Hook. And pull. Bam. It's on there. And it's tight. So yeah, I should have taken smaller pieces so that my roots could look like that. I'll try it this way. Ooh, honey. I don't think I should have let the mousse start to dry. So maybe I should have done that section by section as well. So I know for the other side. All right. I have to get the hang of this. Like I should be doing these first. And I had actual curl formers before from Sally's, and their applicator, the hook applicator, was so much stronger, I feel. But it was so long ago, I can't really say if I remember for okay. Twist. Oh no. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Oh, it's bunched up a little. Okay, there we go. Oh, how do people sleep in this? Or even get under the dryer? It feels like, well, I guess it feels like when you get micro braids or box braids. Okay guys, I'm back just for a real quick update. I have no idea why, but for some reason, this section of hair I have been on forever. So I'm hoping that by turning the camera back on, that I will get some kind of luck. I don't know, it just keeps getting stuck. This process is super tedious. And for someone to say they did this and it lasted for only one day, I will never do it again if that's the case. So I've been doing everything the exact same way the entire time, but for whatever reason, there it goes. Like literally, I probably did that 15 times. So maybe I'll just keep recording and edit out what I don't want. Like, my scalp is even sore in that spot. Okay guys, so I am back. I am just gonna show you the very last one. I started at 4:52. It is now 6:52. So this literally took me 2 freaking hours. So it better last, 'cause I'm gonna be mad as hell. It's tedious, and it's tedious AF, I should say. And if you get one stuck, it's like the worst thing ever. It takes forever to get it back out, and it hurts. And I had 60 of these. I have 6 left. So I'll just be doing my last one since it's in the front. I thought I should do it on camera since I kind of have the hang of it, but it's a lot of work. Like, I would probably literally have someone else do it for me the next time, because the way my life is set up, my nerves, like, this really got on my nerves. Okay, let me get these out of the way. I definitely could have been doing something else for 2 hours. And the girl, Amber, whose video inspired me to do this, she has about 3 to 4 times as much hair. I mean, more hair than I do. So I don't know how the hell she finished in 45 minutes. But this is what I look like right now, some type of creature. So when it dries and it's time to come down, I'll be back.